Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So on my last couple of hard gel videos, I had quite a lot of requests on how to actually remove the design and then prepare your nails for either another coloured hard gel application or just a clear hard gel application ready for maybe gel polish to go over the top. So I'm going to do that today for you. So I still have on my encapsulated butterfly hard gel nails, and if you haven't seen the video for that, I'll link it in the corner for you now. These are quite grown out. They've been on for almost 2 weeks, and I do have quite a lot of reviews coming up whereby I'll be using gel polish. So I just wanted just a normal clear nail, so I'm going to remove this design. So to save time and more importantly my shoulder, I am using my e-file today. You can definitely use a 150 or 100 grit file to debulk these nails. So I'm using a rainbow bit that I got from Born Pretty store, and I think I reviewed these a few videos back, and it's just a medium bit. You don't need anything coarser than that. So I'm not doing my big prep work to start off with, but I am just pushing the cuticles back just to separate that skin before I go in with my e-file. And just to quickly say, I have actually got a mask on here. I'm waiting for my new dust extraction system to arrive, and I'm hoping it'll be here this week, but I have actually got a mask on anyway, so this dust isn't all, flying into my face or anything. I'm just doing it over a towel for now. And I have sped this section up so it does look like I'm going backwards and forwards, but I'm actually just doing it one way. And make sure you're always moving it around so your nail bed doesn't heat up and cause any uncomfortable burning. So because I always start out with a clear layer, I've always got that to fall back on. So you can see I've removed all the glitter in the design, and then I just go in with my hand file and just finish off. So at this point, this nail would be super thin, and that would then be ready again for your coloured hard gel or your glitter hard gel, whatever you're using. So you've got a nice thin clear base to work on top of. Obviously, I will be using gel polish down the line, so I am going to just build up my nail with just clear, and then that'll be ready for gel polish application. So at this point I am going to use my full prep, so I'll push back the epineurium, remove any cuticle, and then I do go in with my cuticle bit and just refine that a bit and get rid of any extra dead skin that you can't see. And people do freak out with these, like you really don't need any pressure. It's on the lowest setting, and I do actually put it on my skin just so you can see it's really, really gentle. It's like a little massage. And then give that a good old cleanse and dehydrate, and that's now ready to go. So as always, for my hard gel, I'm using the Gel Bottle rubber base coat. It's brilliant. I don't get any lifting whatsoever. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that and then cure that in my lamp. And then I'm using Light Elegance Extreme. This is the clear one. So as per usual, I just like to lay down a thin slip layer and then go on to building the nail. And I do actually do this in stages because I'm doing all clear, just to avoid any heat spikes. I'm just going to do a thin layer, do a thin build layer, cure that, and then build my apex and my structure with my second lot of product. So that nail has come out the lamp from the second cure. I'm really happy with the structure of the nail and everything. So I'm just removing the dispersion layer with some cleanser. And then I just go in with a hand file. I don't use an e-file on new gel, just purely because I just think it's a bit harsh and it's so easy to file. It's just, you know, it doesn't take much effort to really refine these. So I just, as I said, just refine the shape and then remove all the shine. And then I'm going to leave those now ready for my gel polish videos. So I did finish the rest off camera because I didn't want this to be a super long video. So I did just finish the nail off with a 180 grit buffer just to smooth out any lumps and bumps, and then I just finished off with my cleanser to get rid of any dust. So that's that nail done. That's now ready for nail polish, gel polish, whatever you like. So I really hope you found this useful, guys, for those who requested it, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.